It almost fits. Oh yeah. If I move that garbage can, move you guys, I can get this truck in here all the way. What do you think, guys? I've spent probably about 4 days, not in a row, but just once a weekend or whatever. And I've been throwing stuff away. I've been buying totes, putting stuff in totes. I've actually got a bunch of stuff in my spare bedroom. It's not being used, so it's currently using that for my storage, and I think I'm going to keep it that way. I'm going to reorganize it so all my stuff will be on racks in there. And then this will be mostly open, with the exception of a couple of toolboxes. I'm going to be getting a couple of new ones. But yeah, I'm making this garage workable again because I want to be able to do some stuff with this truck here, like the 5-speed swap and whatnot. But I want to be able to do it out of the weather, so we'll be able to do that in here. We got room on both sides to move in and out, and yeah. I have some plans for this garage. It's not done yet. Me and the landlord are going to be capping this, and I think we're even going to completely pull all the sheetrock, drywall, whatever you want to call it, and we're going to redo it all. This wall right here, it's going to go, and it needs to go because I'll play a little clip for you of why it needs to go. Well, it's in the garage now. But yeah, the truck's in the garage. It's almost, you can almost close the door. I'm gonna move this garbage can and get this thing in a little closer. Get you guys out of the way, and then I'll have this truck in the garage. Probably leave it in here, and yeah, like a glove. What do you think, kitty? Wow, I haven't parked a vehicle in this garage in probably 3 years, coming on 4. I think the last vehicle that got parked in here was the 94 Explorer on the Johnson's Garage channel. Yeah, we got some work to do on this girl here. That's kind of one thing stopped me from working on this truck, is I just not having a nice dry space to work on it and being so cluttered. That's my next mess right there. I'm going to be getting probably one big or two tool chests, and the ones that have like a flat top surface, at least one of them will be like that. So I'm gonna have a couple of different toolboxes. That black one there, that's a complete mess. There's gonna be an electrical box. All my wiring stuff will be in that. But I'm making it so I can move my toolboxes out or around or whatever. I'll probably have, I might just get one tall big one and put it in the corner over there, but I'm not entirely sure yet. Got the sniffles again. Oh, actually this workbench over here is going by. I'm getting rid of that, and I think that's where my toolboxes are gonna go. And then probably the compressor will sit over here or over there, not too sure. We're gonna modify this to put it on wheels so I can move it around. I'm getting a new cabinet for that stuff, so it's not just messy. So yeah, this is all the crap that's been in the garage. I'm just purging it, and guess what? The door shuts. Oh hey, what'd you got right there? Anyways, tubes, this is a short video for today. I had one video I was going to post Sunday, but it was Halloween, and oh yeah, I was recovering from Saturday night, so I forgot to set it up and post it. So it's just a Dodge video. Nobody's going to really watch it, but That'll probably be next Sunday. This one's just a filler video for right now. But yeah, keep you guys posted on this. What you think, Kitty? She just wants to go inside and warm up. All right. What are you doing in here? That's a big guy. Now go on get. We don't take to your kind around here.